Mind maps are extremely important to understand any new topic or a concept. Maybe you are a student, teacher, or a seasoned professional. Mind maps can help everyone. In this video, I'll show you a way how can you use free version of ChatGPT and other free tools. You can create mind maps from your existing content, or you can generate the content using ChatGPT also. So I'll show you a 3-step approach to create mind maps. Please stick to the end of this video so that you can understand all the steps and you will be also able to generate in no time. First of all, I'll use ChatGPT. You can use any version of ChatGPT. It can be a free tier or it can be a paid version. Now here I have one prompt already copied. Let me paste it here. I want to have a mind map around steps for agile way of project planning. Include relevant topics, subtopics, tools and methodologies to show clear relationship between different points. This prompt is very important because whenever you are asking for certain details, you need to be very clear, you need to be concise so that ChatGPT will give you the desired output also. Now the last line is very important. Please provide a code box in markdown language. And let's see how ChatGPT comes back with. If I hit enter, it will start creating the content for me. You can see that it's already started creating that code, and from this box we'll copy the code once it will be completely generated. Now this generation of this code is completed. Now what I am doing here, I am trying to get a mind map created for agile way of project management. But if you have any other document from where you want to create a mind map, that also you can use. You can just fine tune that prompt, whatever I used here. If you also want to understand any other complex topic, that also you can mention in ChatGPT and ChatGPT will generate the content for you accordingly. Now our code has been generated. What I'll do, I'll open a new tab and I'll open this particular website, dillinger.io. It's a free website. This tool will help us to achieve our second step. So I've just selected entire text from the left pane and I'll hit on delete. Now it's completely deleted. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT. I will copy that markdown code from here. It's copied. And now I'll come back and I'll paste it here. Now you can see in the right side of the pane, it's showing the preview that this is the relationship and it's already generated. Now our next step is we can go to this particular option, export as, and there we'll select markdown. And let me click on that. So you can see this particular file has been downloaded and it is available for our use. So this is our second step. Now before we move to the next step, I'm in process to record a detailed course on ChatGPT, Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot together. This comprehensive course will be available very soon. I have added one link in the description below. Please fill up the form if you want to get a 70% discount coupon once the course will be live. Now we are going to third step, and there I'll open another tab and there I'll open another website, xmind.app. This is another incredible application. This does many more things than whatever we are just going to achieve now. Please let me know in the description below if you want a detailed video on this particular application. I'll work on that and I'll publish. But for now, what we'll do, let me click on download and then I'll be getting a couple of options here. I'll click on download option here so that this particular software will get downloaded to my system. Let me click on that. You can see it's being downloaded, and once this is done, we'll start the installation. So currently I'm using a Mac OS to record this video. In case you are using Windows, you will be able to download Windows version of this particular software. This has been downloaded, and if I double click on the downloaded file, now I'll be getting this particular option. I just need to drag this particular icon here under application and this will get installed. In case you are using a Windows system, you can just double click on the Windows executable installer. After you will follow the on-screen instructions. Now here also this has been installed. Now let me just check if it's installed or not. Yes, Xmind software is installed now. If I invoke that application here, this is giving one prompt as it's downloaded from the internet directly. Let me click on open. Then I'll be getting this particular prompt or what's new in this particular application. I'll click on continue and then I'll click on agree to install the software. Now it's asking me to log in. What I'll do, I'll use Google authentication to log in this particular tool. I'll be using one of the ID using which I created my account earlier. You can also use any of your Google ID to get authenticated. I'll click on open Xmind and this particular software will open now. Now this is the first interface whenever you will be opening the software. So what we'll do, we'll click on this particular option of Mindmap, and once I'll click on that, now you will be greeted with this particular interface. So I'll click on skip for now, and if I maximize this entire window, and then this will be the interface whenever you will be inside this application. Next thing what I'll do, I'll go to File, I'll go to Import, and I'll click on Markdown. And once I do that, it will ask for a path. I already have this particular file copied here, which we just exported from Dillinger, and then I'll click on Open. And then you will be able to see, then this is the mind map it generated. You can see how detailed it is. Every bit of the information has been captured, and this is an excellent view of whatever we are looking for. So this is the way you will be able to generate mind map very quickly using Xmind application. Now once this is generated, if you want to export this particular mind map in different format, then you need to go to File, you need to click on Export, and you will be getting multiple different options. There are 3 options which are available for free, that is PNG, JPEG and PDF. You can also download in other formats, but those are available only as per paid plan. So what I'll do, I'll click on PNG because that will work for us for now, and then it will give you certain options. What we'll do, we'll keep everything intact. We'll not be able to disable this Xmind branding considering we are using the free plan, and we only click on export. So if you are looking for anything in the transparent background and other branding to be removed, then you need to go for a pro plan. I'll click on export for now, and this is exporting our PNG, and this is asking where will it save. I'll show one folder here, and then I'll click on save. Now this is the exported PNG file for our use. So this is the way you will be able to generate mind map for any other complex topic. Be it only a single topic you just want to understand, and you can generate the content from ChatGPT and then you can expand. Or you have some existing documents, maybe you're a student and you are trying to understand one specific concept of any chapter, and that you can update the text, and then it will generate mind map for you. So this is the way you can generate. Xmind software is also a gold mine. Let me know in the comments below if you want to know more about it. I'll record a detailed video covering Xmind software. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn how to generate interactive chart using ChatGPT, then check out this video to know everything about it.